Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, RHINOMITE. Welcome fans to this unboxing and review here on Monster Truck Classics, and I got RHINOMITE here in the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live series. He is number 7 of 8 on this side of the card. They have that on this side. Then this side includes Crush Car. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the card. So on the back of the card, you get a Connect and Crash Car with RHINOMITE, and the name of the truck, RHINOMITE Truck Type Creature Strength Explosive Fury. Crash Attack is Horn Blast. The other trucks in this series is the 1983 Chevy Silverado, Batitude Mega Rex, another RHINOMITE, Jeep FC, Silver Back Attack, Bone Shaker, and then there's RHINOMITE. As I am unboxing this, if you don't mind hitting that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to Monster Truck Classics. And thank you. And thank you for the returning subscribers. And here is the Connect and Crash Car. So first off, on to the body of this 3D body type of truck, you can tell that you have the big horn and a little horn in the front, and then a tail back here, and it is rubber. And then you get dark orange wheels and a dark orange roll cage and black chassis. And then the body itself onto that again. So we get the name of the truck back here, the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo. And then we get that a big looking fierce open mouth for the rhino. And you can see the ears also of the rhino. And then so his eyes, the windshield for the rhino. And we got some flame jobs going on right there. On the side, we get the Hot Wheels logo, and turn it around to the front, and you can see that big horn in the front there, and you can check out what the windshield looks like to make his eyes also kind of, his eyebrows, I would say. And then the 68 number in there, and then you get a racing stripe, and then you get a flame job and some racing stripe that goes to the back of the truck. And then you have number 68 in the back of the truck with some flames. On the tailgate, let's see, it looks like an explosive, a dynamite right there that's lit. Number 68 Hot Wheels logo with some flames. And let me turn it around to this side and check out this side of RHINOMITE. And up above here, you get some flames also. An interesting design for a monster truck, and then to design it into a toy also, because we haven't seen anything quite like this in the Hot Wheels lineup for a die-cast truck. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review.